Bapinyo ia ki kubor baman lagas ni warklet ban subscribe ya kanai ke channel kana kicha.
Keblai pi barok ka keteng jonga ka dei fi umar bnyang but ngade ru ibai na ki puran ki bedan bentalang haki kam film de ngalalong kemen shaba palat namar ba ka sedan kani ka first international film festival but ka dei ru ka sing ka beningkong ka banlong hania po jela jongi de ngila kemen shaba palat but ki parok jonga ro kila kemen bagi nyo yo banyelet hang tu de ngi sai kindo ha ka tu singi do khat sa do khat pra bye bye.
Hadin balayo pura ya ke sorkar kabla ai kerteng Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 hagabau konat sakma kumu menteri rangba kajela Meghalaya hanin kasni kata kendai trik uluber araja arkulai ladap ban yabate yabarok ki menteri ke sorkar thamai halaki kam to mentangi sngap iki baha ke bakilayo baki kerdan pule jong ke minister baro Sri Konrad ke sangma menteri rangba kajela Meghalaya bat u MLA kasanhui sau tura naga parti NPP kerdan pule BBA Entrepreneurial Management MBA Finance University of Pennsylvania and Imperial College University of London. Hikam baubat akan sorkar bamenta kilong Finance Department, Forest and Environment Department, Home Political Department, Planning, Investment Promotion and Sustainable Development Department, Mining and Geology Department, Election Department, Personnel and AR Department, Program Implementation and Evaluation Department, Information Technology and Communication Department. Uba Preston Tensong, Deputy Chief Minister Ubaderu UMLA ka Arpenyo Penusla Constituency na ka Parti NPP. Kerdan pule Bachelor of Commerce BCom. Hikam ba ubat Public Work Department, Road Public Work Department, District Council Affairs Department and Parliamentary Affairs Department. Senyau bahalang dahar Deputy Chief Minister Ubaderu UMLA Kanatiang Constituency na ka Parti NPP. Kerdan pule 12 Pas, Hikam baubat Urban Affairs Department, Transport Department, Commerce and Industries Department, and Department of Prison and Correctional Service. Alexandra Laluhek UMLA Kapanthor Umpra Constituency na ka Parti BJP. Kerdan pule 12 Pas, Hikam baubat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, Fisheries Department, Printing and Stationery Department, and Secretariat Administration Department, Health and Family Welfare Department, Law Department, Information and Public Relations Department, and Agriculture and Farmer Welfare Department. Dr. Marcel Amparin Lengdo, EMLA ka Khandriu East, Shillong Naga Parti NPP. Kerdan pule PhD, Idonru ya Kijing Tibet, Haga Education, Filmmaking and Communication Studies. Hikam Baibat, Health and Family Welfare Department, Law Department, Information and Public Relations Department, Agriculture and Farmer Welfare Department. Paul Lengdo UMLA ka West Silong naga Parti UDP. Kakerdan pule postgraduate Hikam baubat Social Welfare Department, Tourism Department, Arts and Culture Department, Textile Department. Coming one Ambon UMLA Karalian Constituency naga Parti NPP. Kerdan pule 10 Pas, Hikam baubat Food and Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Department, Water Resources Department, Home Civil Defense and Home Guard Department, Badka Cooperation Department. Abu Tahir Mondal UMLA ka Pulbury Constituency na ka Parti NPP. Kerdan pule Graduate Professional AMIE Civil Engineering from Institution of Engineer Kolkata Khatkanai Knaibuwe. Ubat Yakikam Power Department, Community and Rural Development Department, and Taxation Department. Kermen Shela UMLA Khandriu Kliret Constituency na ka Parti UDP. Kerdan pule 10 Pas Hikam baubat Revenue and Disaster Management Department, Legal Metrology Department, and Home Passport Department. Marcus and Marak UMLA ka Sauplai William Nagar Constituency na ka Parti NPP. Kerdan pule undergraduate Hikam baubat Public Health Engineering Department, Housing Department, Soil Water Conservation Department. Rekam Sangma UMLA ka Sanmupra Ronggara Siju LAC Constituency. Kerdan pule Master Degree in Basic Hikam baubat General Administration Department and Border Area Development Department. Shakliar Warjri UMLA Kamauthal Rashan Constituency naga Parti HSPDP. Kerdan pule Diploma in Human Resource Management na Madras Christian College School of Continuing Education Arjar. Hikam baubat Sport and Youth Affairs Department, Labor and Registration Department.